Okay, y'all, come on. We're gonna get this house cleaned from top to bottom. Go get your stuff. I'm finna show you everything we using. Go get your stuff. You be complaining about, oh, I need to get my house cleaned out. Oh, I need to declutter. Oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to do that. Listen, we're gonna do it together. I'm showing you what I'm using. Listen, we got very reasonable Dollar Tree stuff, and then on up to Target and Walmart and Costco and all of that stuff. So we're gonna start here. Dollar Tree, 99-cent store. Pine Sol concentrate. Gonna grab you a few of these, or if you like Lysol, you can grab you a few of these. We're gonna clean. That's our general cleaning. You're gonna get some Lysol sanitizer if you want. No rinse sanitizer. You're gonna need something to scrub with. Look, Dollar Tree scrub brushes. You can get not these specific ones, but you can get some like this from the Dollar Tree 99-cent store. Very reasonable. Scrub brushes, all different kind. You're gonna grab some of those. I found these. Listen, this right here must be good because I almost had to fight an 87-year-old lady with a lavender cellophane on her hair for this one in the Dollar Tree. So listen, this was the last one. That's why I only got one. So this must be good. One of my friends told me about this. I said, so okay, I'm gonna try it. So I don't know if you see one of them. If you see them, grab it. I got these. Never tried them, but we're gonna try them. We're gonna try them. Of course, Comet always on deck. Always have it. Comet you can get from 99-cent store. This scrub free. Never tried it. Glass cleaner, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. I got some Pledge for those of us who have wood or wood-like or wood-ish surfaces. Dawn always good at the Dollar Tree. Or Gain to make it smell good. I even bought me a new mop bucket attachment. We're gonna get that together. So now we're gonna move on. Some bleach gel, Clorox bleach gel. Windex for the window in case our scrub free. In case this don't work. You know Windex always works. This is not at the Dollar Tree. This is not at the Dollar Tree. Clorox cleanup. Always had that on hand. That's just a staple in my house. Now, these disinfectant wipes. Dollar Tree. 40 of them in the pack. Listen, I done already cleaned off the shelf at my Dollar Tree. So I'm telling y'all so y'all can go get y'all some. If you can't afford the Lysol wipes, listen, these are $1. No excuse. No excuse. We're going to get this done. Your mother-in-law coming for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And look, basically, Thanksgiving is next week the way time is flying. So look, go to the Dollar Tree. I'm giving y'all time to go get it. Also, get you some gloves. You can get you some gloves while we cleaning. I got some Scrub Daddies. This came from Costco. These two came from Costco. I did a video on this already. I'm just using these up, but I really like the what's that, Cascade tabs. I really like those the most. So we're going to get those. Or you can just use whatever general cleaner you have on hand. Now, we're going to shampoo the carpet. Got to get the stains and stuff out. We're going to shampoo the carpet. Always keep you a nice degreaser on hand. You can get these from the individual ones or you can get the gallon. I prefer the gallon because you can dilute it yourself. But if you can't, you can find this at Smart and Final. I don't know if everywhere has a Smart and Final. These are okay. I bought them. I bought like 4 of them to keep up in every bathroom in the house. Now, do not use this for paint on your walls. Trust me, I learned the hard way. So this is not for painted surfaces. It's for degreasing, and I'm gonna show you how I use it on my cabinets. But you gotta move fast. If you use it on paint, you gotta move fast and rinse it really well. Rinse it really well. I'm trying to hurry up. I don't want this too long. So I got 2 of these. I got the gallon. This was probably about maybe $20, and I think Lowe's home improvement store or like a Home Depot, they may have this as well. I'm telling you, this is bae. This stay in the house. That's bae. Okay, and then I got some cheap paper towels because it's mentally I just can't see myself using my good paper towels to clean up. I don't know. Maybe it's me. I don't know. But I just couldn't see myself doing that. So Dollar Tree has paper towels, all of that. So now we got paper towels. I got my scrubber. They have them at Dollar Tree. Make sure you grab you 1 or 2. So let me see. Also, of course, you want to get a bucket. I don't have that here. The basic stuff, you want to get bucket. You want to get what? Broom, dustpan. Also, microfiber towels. If you have some old microfiber towels, don't throw them away yet. We could use the old microfiber towels to clean up stuff like on the floor and all that stuff, and then use the new microfiber towels to clean your windows and all of that stuff so it won't scratch it. So, okay, so now we're going to get started. I'm gonna give you about a day or two to go get your stuff. You can start at the Dollar Tree. Start very reasonable. Now, you keep saying, oh, I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. I don't want to do it by myself. I'm here with you to do it. We're going to get this house together. We're going to get our minds right. We're going to get everything cleaned up and declutter. Also, make sure you get you some trash bags. Go get your stuff so we can get started. Okay? Make sure y'all follow me because I'm going to post something every day of what we're cleaning out. Every day I'm going to post what we're cleaning out. And we're going to, by the time the end of the year come, holiday season come, we're going to have our house cleaned out. We're going to have our minds together. We're going to be able to think to be prosperous next year. Okay?